What's up guys, it's Snake. I want to say thanks for everything to support my channel. Click on notify bell, comments below guys. Thumbs up or thumbs down, anything you say guys, it's up to you, I didn't say so. Guys, I got something to ask you, a lot more questions for you. For excited news for me. I got good answers for you. I got a lot more questions for you. Here's the answers about I'm getting excited. The new game Ace Combat 7 Skies Unknown coming in 20 days left. Until early 2019. Comes out in stores release date in January 18th, 2019. You know what, somehow, let me tell you something about Secret Portland Lee. And I know you guys always didn't hear me, you cannot understand, but I got questions for you. Here's the answer, here's the kicker. The new game Ace Combat 7 Skies Unknown coming until my birthday. Coming for my birthday. I'm sorry about this because my questions, I can speak right or not the right need. The new Ace Combat 7, they got everything, new jet fighters, new game levels, new graphics, new 4K, only for futuristic video game design. I've been playing Ace Combat since in 20 years. I was 6. Because some of you been playing Ace Combat or not, let me know what you did. Write down the comment so I can read you guys' comments, okay? I'm very interested, I'm very excited, I'm very happy, I'm very too excellent, I'm very too proud, I'm very too positive, I'm very too respectful. You know what? I can't wait to see the new Ace Combat 7 Skies Unknown. I saw a trailer since like a couple months, only like a couple years, maybe in 2 years I think, I don't know why. And here's important. I've been playing Ace Combat with my history since I was playing video games. I've been playing video games since in 23 days. Excuse me. Excuse me. I apologize. I've been playing video games from over 23 years. And from now on, I bought a PS4 since 1 year ago. It's cost $299 only for Slim. And the other one, different prices. PS4 Pro is cost $399. If you want to wait until Black Friday, it costs $199. PS4 Slim. I'm very happy about playing the new video games. I need to wait for the new trailer, the new update, uploading the new trailer like New Year's, like upcoming this year or next year. Upcoming this year, that's right. I said it right. I apologize, guys. I'm a big fan of Ace Combat. I'm the leader of the fighter pilot squadron. I'm a squadron pilot. I'm a big fan of Ocean. My team emblem, flag, Stragario is Ocean. I don't like Origin. Origin sucks. I want to play against each other, becoming into fighter pilot squadron. Shoot down his enemies. Return to base. When you run out of ammo, go back to the base, and then you can refill the ammo. You can recharge your ammo. Change into special weaponry, into missile. You can customize your planes. You can buy yourself a new fighter pilot, a new fighter planes, anything you say. But let me ask you something. I got Nintendo since I was born 92. And my older brother, my first brother, my second brother bought the old classic Nintendo since, like, I believe around over from 25 years. Only a classic video game. Old school video game. What's it called for 2000? Video game. And also the futuristic video game console system. I got many different models of the game console system for Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo. And the PC. Most of you, if you bought your system, if you have system, write down in the comments. I can tell you guys what's your favorite video games, what's your favorite game system, like a console. Because I know everybody interested about talking more bunch of video games, classic, old school, 2000, and the future. I like the future video game console. You know what? Here's something I need to tell you about. Here's the kicker. I'm a big fan of PlayStation. I'm a huge fan of it. I bought a PlayStation since I've been playing over from 20 years. My dad bought me a present since I was 6. I like favorite video game is Gran Turismo. It's a race car game. Remember I showed you on live stream? I hope you like it or not. Well, I don't care. It's up to you. I didn't even say so. I watched a new trailer on YouTube. Just searching for Ace Combat 7 Skies Unknown. The new Ace Combat 7 upcoming trailer. Like a couple months. Only this year, next year. They got uploading the Ace Combat 7. Turn to be AC7. For getting the upload from updated into a new trailer next year or this year. Early 2019. Not next year, a whole month and a whole year. Only after New Year's Eve. This is early 2019. I can't believe it. You know what? By the time I'm very interested, I'm getting reaction. I'm getting reaction. But I want to say so. I saw on the YouTube. I see always very excited. I can see cool jet fighters. I can see new levels. I can see new footage. I can see tons of graphics. It got 4K. It got some all kinds of stuff. Like new graphic, futuristic graphic, playing video games is clear. Graphic is clear. Turn to be as a 4K. I don't care. But I'm not familiar about TV inches. As a matter of fact, they got multiplayer mode. It's better than Fortnite. You go on the Ace Combat fan on YouTube. Search it, and then hit the subscribe button. Support him for Ace Combat fan, okay? You got troopers? And remember, if you forgot something before upload it video, if late, hit the notification bell on the right side. Remember, do not lose the video from the Ace Combat fan. He is talking about the new video game Ace Combat. He's a big fan of Ace Combat. go to Ace Combat channel. Put Ace Combat fan. Hit the support button, not the subscribe button, okay? Don't forget, guys. Excuse me, I'm sorry about this. I'm a huge fan of PlayStation. But I'm a big fan of PlayStation. I'm a PlayStation guy. I like Sony. I like cars. I like planes. I like celebrities. I like movies. I like going out. I like go out to the travel around the city. I like talking to all bunch of girls. Talking to any girls if I like, because I need to I need to stay fresh. I need to do fresh cut. I need to do clean cut. I need to do deodorant. I need to put some cologne. I need to do clean, fresh clothes. I need to do save a lot of money to buy some new, fresh, clean shoes. I like anything. Okay, you know what? I got something to say, but I apologize to talking all bunch of questions. All of you guys, I ask you guys for a bunch of questions. I give an answer. Okay, I gotta go. So I'll catch you on the next video. Remember, come to YouTube, put Solid Snake, or you cannot find it, just go to Instagram. Put Solid Snake 92. And then you can see on my name, down below, it says youtube.com/Solid Snake. And remember, knock the support button, okay? Not the subscribe button on the red box. So, you see me on the YouTube channel, troopers. Don't not forget, I salute to all of you. You're my best troopers. You're becoming as an army. Okay, I got something to say about the new Ace Combat 7 Skies Unknown coming in 20 days left until for my birthday. Guys, I can't believe it. It only starts on Friday. I'm very interested. I'm very excited about the new video game coming in 20 days left for my birthday. So, my favorite pilot is... My favorite... Okay, let me say it one more time. My favorite jet fighter is F-22 Raptor, stealth fighter. It's better than the YF-22 Lightning II, same as F-22 Raptor. I like the F-22 Raptor. Better than size of the F-18. F-A-18C Hornet. And the other one, F-A-18, I believe is D, Super Hornet. I don't know about the letters. So guys, I'm about to leave off duty. I'm about to turn off the video. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Stay safe, troopers, and do not forget, put Ace Combat 7 Skies Unknown. Watch on trailer, and then don't forget to write down the comments after you see the trailer. Ask me any questions about when you be interested. When you buy a new Ace Combat, let me know we need it. Comments below, okay? Okay, one more question. If you want to pick the Ace Combat 7 Skies Unknown, here's the difference. You got Xbox One, you got PC, you got PS4. Only the disc, game box, different model set of the new, of the new bonus games. And the other one is $59.99 for standard. And the other one is $89 only for deluxe edition. I'll see you soon, troopers. Stay safe and Happy New Year.